Los Carpinteros is a catalogue with the title Handwork Constructing the World, which is about architecture but also utopian, contemporary utopian aspects of how sustainability and resources would be used. So what we see here also references to historical like Boulay and aspects of how public space could be in some way created or could be reinterpreted, if you want so. And so different aspects of not only Latin American and Hispanic architects and designers. So it's quite a huge volume and an extensive overview of up-to-date music with like very nicely done inserts within the book. Where actually the photo goes over the grid. So then there's a section politically infected spaces. It is, of course, kind of up to date with all this movement of alter globalization and as well as political instances. Another inlay. Then topics like water, for instance, is of course one which will occupy our society in the upcoming years. So it's kind of playful, but it's well at the same time with a playful critique in some way. And another aspect of Los Carpinteros, they have actually edited a special edition, which is unsigned, unlimited, as they state. And so this book comes as well, since this goes with a pair of flip-flops with the shape, since the Cuban aspect, with a pair of flip-flops in the shape of a map. But you can actually take this out, and they say, you see here TBA 21, so it's like the publishers of the Thyssen-Bonnet-Metzier art contemporary of chairwoman Francesca von Habsburg. And so they actually state that they would like that people actually do who buy the package of this object with the book actually do use this flip-flop, since they say that one cannot see the perspective of the other as long as one does not step in one other's shoes. And so this is the idea of this very nicely done map, actually.
Edition.
And edition.